Now that we have added the summary get action method, it's time to add the view. We'll go with the razor view. Let's add this. In here, what will be the model? So model, we'll define it here, and that is inside view model. So rocky.models. We have the view models. We want the product user view model. Again, with the HTML and CSS, I have provided the snippet in section 7. We have the cart summary UI. This will be summary. We'll open it up, copy this, and paste it right here. You can see it's all HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. We'll save this, and before we make any modifications, let's run our application and see how things look like. I'll add few items to the cart. We'll have to log in. We have the cart. We hit continue. We have the order summary. Right here we have name, phone number, and email, but those are not being reflected. We also want this in a loop so that we have 3 items. It should display all 3 product. And then we have a submit inquiry button. Let's work on these 3 first. Let me switch back. And right here we have name. We have the input. We need to associate with the tag helper ASP4. This will be model.applicationuser.fullname. You can also skip model here since ASP4 already takes care of that. That being said, let's also make sure we have validation here. So we'll add a span tag and ASP validation for application user.fullname, and we'll give it a class of TextDanger. Once you do this, let me copy both of these lines. Go down, we have the text here, we'll paste here, and for email. Next we have the phone number, and we have the email. We'll copy this and paste it. If you save this, go back and refresh. Now those fields will be populated based on what you entered initially. So for our user, you can see it is populating the details. Next, let's display the order summary. So right here, where we have the order summary, let me just display summary here, and we need a for each loop. So before the li, we can have a for each loop, and we'll say variable obj in. We have model.productList. First thing, we want the product name, which will be at obj.name, and we want the price, which is $, at obj.price. Let's save this, go back and refresh, and right here you'll see the summary page suddenly disappeared. I have intentionally left this as an error in our code, and I want you to figure out what is going on here.